Blitzen Benz update here on the Christmas break 2022. So you guys saw what I did with the brake here with this master cylinder setup. Super simple deal. It's not tightened in there, but it's that, Yerf dog master cylinder setup. I think it's a M10 brake cable. Could be wrong. I say cable, but brake line, and longest one you get on Amazon, or one of the longest ones. It fits back here okay. Where to put the brake, the caliper itself. So you want the nipple up so you can bleed air out of the system. It's also good if that's the highest point in the system. It's not on mine. The master cylinder is a little bit higher, but we'll have to worry about that later. Try to figure out where to put this thing where it was out of the way, and make the mount as simple as possible. And this is a variation of what I did the last time. It's just as simple as you can get. 3/16 flat bar, the heavy duty stuff, by 1 inch wide. Put a hole in it, put my bolt in there, and then eyeballed it over here, took it apart, took it over to the vise, put a pipe wrench on it, twisted it, gave it a little bend, came back, clamped it in place, made sure that the this thing spins freely, and then did the same for this bottom bracket as well. And most of the force when the brake is being applied is going to go through this one, straight into there, and this one just kind of more or less helps locate it. I went way over and beyond on the last one I did. I way overbuilt the brake mount for that caliper, and it worked fine, but it was overkill. This is just 2 pieces of 3/16 flat stock, and it works like a champ. You do have to, when you do this, when you do your first one, you got to really look at your clearance in there beside. Probably helps if I turn the screen right. The clearance beside your pads. And as long as it's flat, this thing is keyed, so you can move this disc left and right later on if need be. But these things are self-adjusting, these pads, self-centering. But what I was saying is, when you do this first bar, you may need some little tweaks, left or right, or it might need to clock this way or this way, to make sure that it's straight up and down. So you just got to do that first one. Once you get the first one right, then this one's pretty easy to do. The second one's easier to do. All right, hope that helps somebody.